Java Control Panel does not show Update tab on Windows 7 x64. I'm running Windows 7 Professional x64. I've installed JDK 1.6.0 U25 in the 32-bit version first, and the 64-bit version on top. The Java Control Panel does not show anything about updates. I can't trigger a manual update. This config shows the just.exe auto start, titled Java TM Platform Say Auto Update 2.0. I found this tip, this URL for forcing the update panel to appear, although I haven't tried that. My questions are: why doesn't the update tab appear anymore? Is this on Win 7 by 64 only? Does it relate to installing both 32-bit and 64-bit versions? Also, in a previous Windows installation, I noticed that only one of the JRs got updated automatically. How is this supposed to work?
You may be seeing a 32-bit versus 64-bit JRE conflict in the control panel. On a new HP laptop I have, Win 7 64-bit, I ended up with both the 64-bit and 32-bit JRE installed, without actually doing anything. Shortly after starting to use the system, I accepted a prompt to update Java. Later I noticed that the Java version in the control panel was still old, however, the Java version in EA8 was the newer version. You can see the version in your browser by browsing to About Plugins, in Mozilla, Chrome, or this URL. From a 32-bit md.x, Java version indicated the new version. From a 64-bit md.x, Java version indicated the old version, and 64-bit. When I ran the 64-bit version of EA8, normally you are running the 32-bit version, and visited the above test Java link, it indicated I had an out-of-date version and did a die when I tested it. The 32-bit version was doing the auto-update, via a background process, run from p_local_machine \software\wow 6432 node /Microsoft /Windows /current version /run. Some Java updates /program files, x86 /common files /java update /just.x. So, it seems like the control panel was showing the 64-bit of the JRE, which was not auto-updating, and the 32-bit version of the JRE was auto-updating. I did not see any auto-update process for the 64-bit version of the JRE. I will probably try and uninstall the 64-bit version of the JRE because my average user does not need this. I was able to run the 32-bit version of the control panel from c:\program files, x86 /java /to6 bin /javacall.x. And it did show the update tab. FYI, the 64-bit, old, version of the control panel was at c:\program files /java /to6 bin /javacall.x.
Auto update is not supported for 64-bit Java yet. Bug track. You can track the updates from RSS channel of Java Say News and download installation package manually.
I had the same problem. What worked for me was to go into c:\program files, x86 /java /jr7 /bin /havatsbl.exe. Rather than what Windows control panel defaults to, which is in c:\program files /java /jr7 bin /havatsbl.exe. The one in x86 has the Update tab in Windows 7 64-bit.
The correct location is p_local_machine/software/wire6432 node/javasoft/java update/policy. Created word, 32-bit, value and named it as enable Java update. Set its value type, hex, to 1 to display the update tab. Set its value to 0 to hide the update tab from the Java console.
Before the tutorial, please discuss